Arden, go get him. Come on, I'll go with you. Oh, come on, I'll go with you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Spooky. Come on. Come on, Aaron. Come on, Arden. Aaron will do it.
Where's Arden? Did he come up here?
He all ran when the chainsaw came out. No, when the chainsaw came out,
the
they all
rest
flew up
of
in the
it?
street.
Did you see all the other
Missed
guys?
it. When the chainsaw came out, they all
Where's
went
his
flying.
guys? I'll walk with you. Come on, I'll show you the rest. Aaron's been up there the whole time. I want to show you the guys. Look, the baby's up here. Jim's baby's up here. Oh, grandma. Who else? Holy moly, what is that?
Mom, I don't want to go up here. Do you want to get a picture?
You guys
Come take a picture with me and Dana.
What kind of tease over there?
Look at Ellen. Take her picture, baby. No, it's okay. Look at Grandpa.
Hold on 1 second.
Come here, Kelly.
Come on, Kelly, man.